slingshot, etc.
Let's understand the STEAM achieved detailing of the project. STEAM consists of science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. Science, to understand Newton's laws of motion, force, energy transfer, and projectile motion. Technology, apply simple machines such as levers, axles, gates, and springs to create motion. Engineering, build a strong working model, test it, and improve its performance. Arts, designing creative themes for the footballer's goalpost or stadium setup. Mathematics, calculating angles and analyzing patterns. Thank you.
नहीं
we can clearly see that the third law of this in we can see that these are ratchets and these are gates. Because of the ratchet is in front, we can here see that the base is light green, the sides are blue, and the hanging rod is black. And in our
Good morning. This project is named as Ski Slope, which is made using Lego Bricky Motion Prime Kit. The main objective of this project is to demonstrate how gravity acts as an invisible force pulling the skier downwards, and to show the transformation between the potential energy into kinetic energy when the skier began its journey. To show how slope angle can differ the momentum and the distance covered by the skier. To connect the classroom concepts with real world applications.
At the demonstration we have put the slope into 0 degrees and release the object for the baseline motion. As the object moves, we adjust the Lego mechanism to 28 degrees for the object to move. Demonstrating how the motion acts on the objects in speed and acceleration. This dynamic adjustment makes the motion more visible. And interactive for the audience. We can also use markers or sensors to show how the object travels more distance. Thank you.
Scientific values. This Lego mechanism allows the slope to start from 0 degree, unlike the hydraulic system which started from 10 degree. It enables real-time adjustment while the object is moving, making the demonstration attractive and clear. Overall, it improves the educational and physically conceptual strong. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We the students of Zikra High School. I thankful to Taos Foundation for giving this opportunity, and thankful to our founder Safi Rahim sir, and coordinator Mr. Shadab sir, and our mentors Mr. Ilyas and Mr. Imran sir. For I Sayyid Ahmed Adib with my team.
Muhammad Abdul Rahman,
Muhammad Rehan,
Muhammad Sohail,
Muhammad Ayan.
Of class 8, let me give you a brief introduction on robotics. Robotics is a branch of science and technology that deals with designing, building, and programming robots. We learn robotics through hands-on activities by building simple projects and solving real-world problems. It helps us in creativity, critical thinking, and teamwork skills. By connecting robotics to our academics, we can understand the concepts of maths, science much better. For example, maths to measure distance and angle, science to understand the motion.
In this lesson, we have observed how wind energy converts into mechanical energy and how by changing different angles, it helps the model to have displacement from one place to another, and how by bending or stretching the sail, it changes airflow and movement. And we have also connected it with academics to learn the physical science concept, and we have explored the relationship between energy and forces.
Today I am explaining about
Here's the demonstration part for this model. Keeping the lanyard at 0 degrees and the sail at 0 degrees, we can observe that the model moves backwards. By keeping the lanyard at 90 degrees and the sail at 0 degrees, we can observe that the model moves with high velocity. By keeping the lanyard at 180 degrees and the sail at 0 degrees, we can observe that the model doesn't move. After keeping the model at 270 degrees and the sail at 0 degrees, we can observe that the model moves with decreased velocity.
this plate is 20 centimeters, then it will cover 2 seconds, 270.
We can with science and maths. Examples: Newton's law of motion. First law of motion: it keeps moving until friction or lag wind slows it. Second law of motion: more wind force is equal to more acceleration. Third law of Newton: by bending or stretching this sail, we can move the model through the wheels. Max connection. Angles: we can adjust angles and measurements through its sail. Measurements: length, width and sail area. Open. Ratios: we can compare the wheel sizes and their effect on their speed. Speed: distance divided by time during a run.
We can also connect this model with real life, like sports. Lanyard is an actual competitive sport in different countries. Example, which renewable energy show how wind power can be used for transportation in one place to another without fuel. Engineering design. Concepts are similar to design sailboats, wind turbines, or some land vehicles. Logistic history. Before the invention of engine, some desert and ice explorers, people used wind power for sledges and yachts.
We have also demonstrated the role of steam in this model. That stands for science, technology, engineering, arts and math. In science, we have learned energy conversion and Newton's law of motion. In technology, we have used gears and mechanisms. In engineering, we have built real-life models and structures like sail and wind turbine. In arts, we have applied creativity in designing and presenting this model. In math, we have calculated the angle to have displacement from one place to another. Islamic integration. We have a relevant verse about the wind energy from Surah Rum, that is Surah number 36, ayat number 46. And among his signs in this, he sends wind as a glad tiding to taste his mercy, that is rain, and the ship may sail at his command, and you may seek his mercy and bounty in order to be thankful.
Through this project, we
Conclusion of this project. Through the preparation and testing of lanyard model using BRICU in Lego education, we learn how principles of design, balance, force and motion work together in real life engineering. The activity showed that the shape of the sail, weight distribution and wheel alignment directly affect the movement at the speed of lanyard. It also highlighted the importance of trial, observation and modification in problem solving overall. Building the lanyard not only strengthens our STEM concept but also encourage teamwork, creativity and critical thinking. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Maria Binta Hamid. Myself Maria Binta Hamid from Sultan Ulum Public School, Golconda. This is a gymnast power car. This is our first sport theme model in BRICU Motion Prime. We are going to explore the motion of a gymnast on wheel. The main objective is to understand how gymnasts maintain balance and energy while using the concept of forces and motion, while building teamwork and creative thinking skills. And it demonstrates Newton's 3 laws of motion, and we are going to predict how forces acting on object can change this motion. The different components used in gymnast are weighted brake, ratchet leveler, wheel and axle, gear mechanism, technique frame and beam, sorting trays and sticker.
Good morning everyone. My name is Soumya. Good morning everyone. My name is Soumya Amin Al-Ghaiti from Sultan Ulum High School, Golconda. Today I am going to speak about the physical concept used in this gymnast model. The gymnast model works on the principle of force, balance and motion. When a gymnast swings on the bar, the concept of potential energy and kinetic energy can be observed. As the gymnast swings upward, the energy stored is potential energy. When it's come down, it changes into kinetic energy. Using this model, we are going to demonstrate Newton's 3 laws of motion. Newton's first law states that an object in motion will stay in motion until it's acted upon by external force.
Now I am going to see that Newton's first law is satisfied or not. Flipped on the both ratchet leveler in and swing the gymnast, it is going forward and backward because gravity pulling the gymnast down and the net force is 0.
Newton's second law states that the rate of change of a momentum of a body is directly proportional to the net force applied on the body in the direction of net force.
Now I am going to demonstrate Newton's second law of motion. Place the model at the starting point, flipped on the front ratchet leveler out and swing the gymnast at 90 degrees. Now I swing the gymnast at 160 degree. It is covering more distance. In 160 degree angle, the distance cover more as compared to 90 degree angle, which means when more force is applied, the distance cover more.
Newton's third law states that for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Now I place the model at starting point, flip both ratchet levelers in and keep my hand at the back of the gymnast and swing the gymnast. It is only moving forward. My hand is blocking the gymnast to move backwards. My hand is action and it is moving forward its reaction. Another important concept is gravity, which pulls the gymnast down, and friction, which help in the controlling of motion. The gymnast also shows the use of torque and rotational motion while swinging and flipping. Through this model, we learn how gymnasts in real life apply this physical concept to perform safe and powerful movement. It helps us understanding how science is connected to sports and daily life activities.
Good morning, myself Sayyada Yumna Fatima from Sultan Ulum High School, Golconda. Today I am going to talk about the max concepts used in the gymnast model from Brickyou Motion Prime set. At first, it is just looking like a normal gymnast swinging on a bar, but if you look at it closely, it is full of mathematics. The most important concept is angles. As the gymnast swings, the arms move through different angles, from small acute angles to the larger obtuse ones. We can measure these angles to understand how far the gymnast swings. Next, we have symmetry. The body of the gymnast is built in such a way that it should be balanced on both the sides. If the arms or legs of the gymnast were not symmetrical, the swing would not look smooth. There is also ratios and proportions. The length of the arms and legs affects how a gymnast swings. A longer lever creates a bigger swing, and that shows the relationship between size and movement. Now finally we can see time and patterns. When the gymnast swings back and forth, it follows a repeating pattern, almost like a pendulum. We can measure the time it takes for each swing, which connects to mathematical ideas. So the gymnast model is not just about movement. It's a fun way to see how the mathematics is everywhere, in angles, ratios, symmetry and patterns of motion. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Sayyada Mimoniza from Sultanum High School, Golconda. Today I would like to share about real-world application of gymnast model built using Lego Brickyou Motion Prime Kit. The gymnast model shows how forces, motion and balance work together. In real life, these principles are very important. For example, athletes and gymnasts use the same ideas of balance and momentum while performing flip, swings and jump. The way gymnasts swing on the bar is similar to how real gymnasts use their body weight and energy to move. Beyond sports, these concepts are also applied in engineering. For example, when designing playground swings, pendulum in clock, or even robots that need to move smoothly, same principle of push, pull and gravity are used. This model helps us to understand how science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics come together in real world. It inspires us to see that